I've got an adulterated palm wine for this, just sweetness.
If you've noticed that when you give your father something, when you give him money, for example, now you bad fortune. If there be if money go hang, what should you do? Well, the number one thing you should not do is to tell him to go to hell. That thing is Christianity behavior. Now Christians will go come back, start to call their mom witch, start to call their papa wizard, start to beat their father. So you should definitely not do that, because rather, what you should understand the spirituality principle behind what happened. Until you take an animal and cut the blood, that's just one form of aja. Rather, everybody is a spirit. I'm a spirit from Mmuo. You listening to me, you are a spirit from wherever it is you are listening to me. Your father is a spirit who is your ancestor. Because your mother is a spirit who is Ogugu from your ekwunyere, the portal of your birth. She's also the Mmuo Mmuo of her group. That's why everybody that is ekwunyere is nille, right? So there are spirits. So when you take money, or you take food, or you kill an animal for them, chuolu. Come on now, maybe not. Some people's parents, some of our parents joined revival ministries where they led the destruction of ancestral altars. So much buffet, much pialifabrain, much na like now you now can't fall out because you get money, because you for beef. You want to be a good son, you want to collect blessings from your father where they cost. Now, what it means is that let's go back to the principle of the spiritual principle behind the sacrifice that you made. When you're killing an animal for your chi, you're talking. You are saying something. Now, when you take that money that you're giving your father, for example, you have to talk. You have to talk to his spirit, right? You have to talk to Ndiche. Tell Ndiche that you are not a foolish person. You are not a cursed child. You are not going to leave your father to rot, right? That it is them that Ndiche, it's them, the ancestors, that you are giving this sacrifice. That this sacrifice that you are giving to your father is them. When you give it to your father, not this individual, this Owa, not this Onyowa, this current incarnation of this spirit who's done bad things, who's done sacrilege. So that whatever Uchu that wants to come from this sacrifice, because imagine you go and you make a sacrifice to a deity that is dirty. That night you go first get a wet dream, first of all. You go go do na-ekwunyere, you go do very sad. So that is similar to that when you are taking money. You are in a chuolu, Mmuo Mmuo na adịrọ mma aja. You will not ignore your father to rot while you are there and you can do something. And nobody will even speak good for you. Everybody that hears it will say bad things, will make bad declarations on you. Come on, if you get able. Just the same way in a busalu Mmuo bala. Ina agwa Mmuo esichigi na okonya waki na-enye aja, anya bịa wele aja. No kondi mmiri ha bịa wele aja. When you are giving money to that man, tell ancestors ndị ichie onu maka na chuolu aja, make una no tempt me, make una no dey whine me, make una wanna go leave person alive and una want make me now come kill am, make I come leave and make him go die. Why una go tempt me? Make una no dey tempt me. If una no want make him dey again, make una collect him ass. Usually use music for your ego for when you're running late in the morning and email is isalochi, which you should not have any excuse for. You can just take water, pour it on the ground. Say ndu milindo azumili atanazo una bulunu muzo belnu mazo. Nke yeli mafunam nke mmeli cholom bia self nyakonam, right? Just say things, talk life into your shit, and pour some of the water and drink it. So you have no excuse. Kilapi isaluchi makan in all time. And also now go for doing it. But if even when you done that and you're on your way to work, for example, stream Holy Maize all through. Make our streams they run up. Cheers.